Hello, this video is trying to describe the issues I'm having managing character styles between Illustrator documents and the fact that the fill colors are not being preserved in new documents, and it's driving me crazy. So if anybody has any ideas out there, I would be all ears. So here's what I got going on. I have a style sheet document that I have all my character styles in, and I want to use that in other projects. So I want to maintain them here and then copy them to other documents. So for instance, we have this style here. We have orange black and it's attached to this character style here. And we can see that it has these fill colors, this wild 35 magenta and 85 yellow, and then a black stroke around it. So we can see those swatches represented here, one here and one here attached to that. So that all looks good. And if we save this style sheet out, it works fine. And then if we open up a new document, we see that we don't have those character styles and we don't have those custom swatches, obviously. So if I want to reuse that character style, I would go to character styles and re-import them from that style sheet document. And now we have our styles. And if I click on that, I can see that those custom swatches weren't imported yet, so Illustrator has made it its own swatch of 3585. So whatever, that's fine. If I try to write now, it works fine, and everything seems to be okay. So let's save this document out. And then close it. And then if I reopen that document, we see that I still see my style the way I expect it. But if I click on that and then view the character style, we can see that it hasn't preserved those swatches that it created. It's changed the fill color to black and the stroke color to black as well, instead of the orange like we were thinking. So if I now save this document and close it, and then reopen it, we see that now the orange is not there anymore, and it has been replaced with the black swatch like we saw earlier. So that's not good. So if we close this document out and we say, okay, well, we know that character styles are based on these swatches, so I need to import the swatches before I import the character styles into the new document. So let's open up a new document and first clear out some of these styles that we're not using. And then import the styles first. So we'll select all these styles and import them. So now all the swatches are in our swatches palette. And now we go to character styles and import the character styles. And now if we double click on that character style, we can see that it has assigned that custom style that we were expecting to this fill color. So that looks good. Let's write our words. And then save this document out. And then close it. And then reopen that document. And it looks good. We can see that it's preserved the orange like we were expecting. But if I double click on this, we see that once again it's changed the fill color to black and the stroke color to black. And if I now save this document and reopen it, just like last time, we can see that it's changed the fills to black, even though we still have those swatches that it should have preserved right here. So I can't figure out why these fill colors on my character styles are not being maintained, and if anybody has any ideas, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching.